Cool. We're back. Hello. Hopefully everything's working properly. Oh, I gotta put my fucking... Hopefully that's working. Alrighty. Alright, we're good. We're good. We're good. Alright, what's going on in the news? Good evening, good evening. Big week this week. What up, Toby? Not a lot. It's pretty big. I did not see that. Where am I right now? At home. W's in the chat only. Fuck yeah. That is going to be very big. So trading at that point in time might be a little bit scary. But we got some movement. And we're in a fair few trades right now, which is good. We like exposure. I still need to fuck with some of my settings. And man, this fucking... It's scary. I actually gotta check up on some of the guys. Make sure they're all sweet because... Didn't want to get stuck in trades. Discord. I'm a bit late. I just got home from the fucking gym. Are you in the city? Yeah. Fuck, man. This account does absolutely nothing, eh? But gotta go live. Dude, it's fucked. I literally can't, like, whenever I type, it makes me feel weird typing that way. Did I just say that I was in the city? Yes, I am. Oh, God. Man, I actually haven't seen any of this shit because I wasn't on my computer last night. I was fucking unwell. And then today I've been so busy. Pooh wants to meet for talks on Thursday. Interesting. I would not even be fucking trading for the next... I mean, the way I trade is pretty safe for these sorts of movements, but Fucking hell, that's quite frightening at the moment, to be honest. Is my like counter working? Yeah, it is. Speedy, I just messaged you because I've only just checked the trades and there's a lot going on. There's a shitload going on. So if you're in any of this, you're in fucking trouble. What? The fuck? What is everyone doing? Where the fuck is everyone? I'm putting a flare on. Fuck it, I'm putting a flare on. Let's get some more people in here. It's fucking ridiculous. Alright, we'll have some people. We'll have some people coming in. Dude, I hate fucking this account. Not good. Not good. Hey, Matt, it is exciting. Feels like it's almost fucking Tuesday already. I've had a short day, bit of work, straight to the gym, back here, live. Like I've not been out and about. Speedy, anything, if you're in here, anything that you can profit, get the fuck out. Like seriously. By actually no, fuck that one. By 11 p.m. there's gonna be some shit. Did you say at or by? At 9 a.m. there's gonna be some fucking huge movement. So whatever you can get out of, get the fuck out of it. Yeah, I would not want to be in anything right now. That never happened to me, Speedy. That never happened to me. So I don't know. I don't know because I tested it and it didn't happen. So I don't know. I'm getting out of pound CAD. I'm in like decent profit, so I'm gonna get out of that. Get me out. I want to be as least exposed as possible. Draw down everything else 2.5%, which is fine. But anyway, you made some good profit today, which is good. Well, yeah, bang a day, yes. How's your Monday? Bro, this is actually fucking insane. There's fucking 2 people in here. I may as well just not fucking be live. Oh shit, I just realized. Oops. Wild. Fucking wild. I even put a flare up and it's not doing a single fucking thing. That is insane. There's nothing going on. Absolutely fucking nothing. Fucking. Fucking Jesus Christ. What the fuck? What is this? What the fuck is this? This is actually wild. I don't even want to be live right now. This is fucked. Fucking ridiculous. Like the fucking stream. Whoever's here, just fucking like. Mr. Taxman, how are you? Thank you. Come in and talk some shit, because this is really depressing right now, being on this account. 4 fucking people. Fucking absolutely ridiculous. I'm good. Yeah, I'm good. It's a bit depressing having 5 people in the live, but that's okay. That's okay. We can deal with it. We can come here. I'll just start having a look at the pairs that I'm in. Euro odd. Let's have a look at Euro odd. I wish there was like a thing that I could just type it in. I'm in buys, so I presume I'm only in 1, however, and I should be in more than 1. I wonder if this was the test one that I... Oh no, we're chilling. Roses are lit up. Whoa, thank you very much. Thank you, thank you. Thank you for 11 roses. P.S. Be proud of me, Father. My paper got me an 87 out of 100. Bad referencing and grammar, lowered it a bit. Bro, fucking good job. Seriously, good job. I'm a proud father. Good job. Hello, John. How are you? How do I start making money day trading? You focus on education for as long as possible and then start jumping in the markets. It's not easy, but it's worth it in the end. I should be in this again. Why are you being annoying? Oh, I think that was on fucking the 1 hour. I'm an idiot. Oops. EuroCAD too, I should be in that again, I believe. Maybe not. Go on, take another buy. Get me the fuck out. Would crypto be good for day trading? No, crypto is horrible for day trading, and I'll explain why. So, the reason, like the way that people trade is using previous data to develop a strategy, right? So you look over the past 1, 5, 10, 15 years of data to develop a strategy that will work in the long term, right? This crypto has no, for starters, has fuck all data. It doesn't have much data. It's got, you know, it's got a bit, but the price movement is so fucking random and manipulated that there is just no clear indicator that you could make money or develop a working strategy short term for day trading. It's gonna be very difficult. So you need more price, not price, you need more data, historical data, and you need non-randomness. You need shit that you see constantly happen in the market to develop a strategy off of. This shit, you got fucking no idea what it's gonna do. You've, like, obviously in the market, whether you're day trading, Forex, indices, fucking crypto, fucking soybean, doesn't really matter. You need consistency and something that is similar, like happens frequently. This shit makes no fucking sense. Crypto makes no fucking sense at all. But if you want, go into my Discord. Discord's linked to my bio. Go into my Discord. Open the link in an external browser too, otherwise it won't work. Most likely not, TikTok's weird. And then go watch the 1 hour video on how to get started into trading, and then come ask me questions. I also have mentorship, but that's only if you really want to get stuck into it and take it a bit further and get on one-on-one calls with me and everything. So yeah. How do I start trading? That should explain it too. And I give a lot of shit away for free. I don't believe in like the whole, like this industry is just a scam fest. Why are my chats coming up? I know why. It's because I switched account again. It's going to not be letting, it's going to filter out like hide potentially offensive comments. There we go. All right, whatever it is, you should be able to say now. Okay, thanks. All good, no worries. Thanks for following me also. I appreciate that. What's gold doing? Is gold having a fucking aneurysm? It is. Oh God. I'm putting money in an account and I'm gonna buy gold. Sue me. I'm gonna fun account buy gold. I found child trafficking to be quite profitable. Jesus Christ. Don't get me suspended again, please. That's fucked up. What the fuck? Like the fuck, what is this? 1,000 likes already. Rubbish. We need more. Give me more. Give me more. Meow. Let me check YouTube. The adoption, yeah, the adoption agency, yep. Good work. Do I buy gold? Do I full port gold?
3, 2, 1.
We're at the bottom of like a pretty large range. So, like down here, I mean, actually I wouldn't call that a range at all. On the daily, this would be one of the best buys in my opinion to scale into. And I might just do it. I might just do it. Haven't had a fun account for a while, so that'd be fun. Thank you very much for following me, Leo. I appreciate that. Thank you, thank you. What do we get? Did I get another flare? Did I get another flare? I didn't. Fuck. God damn it. Oh, I need piss. I'll be back. Spam the fucking likes or some shit. This is ridiculous. This stream sucks. Right, I'm back. B. The stream ducks sucks. I swallow. All are facts of nature. Fuck yeah. Very valid. Good job. You're not a quitter. Man, honestly, we got 9 more minutes for this to pick up, or else I'm bursting. Straight up. I got fucking... No stress, bro. You're a busy man, and this is a ghost town. It is fucking pretty bad. This is pretty bad. What pair are you on? This is gold, actually. Get me the fuck off gold. I want to look at this. This is USL again. My annual budget meeting had better energy levels than this chat. Yeah, it's pretty bad. But it is like the new account, so I mean, there's nothing really that I can do about that, you know. It is what it is. I gotta see if there's any new fakes in here. Bro, I get so many people, like so many fake accounts of mine coming in. Hopefully I've removed the majority of them. Hopefully. Ah, my fucking nose is itchy. Paxton, thank you very much for liking the stream. I appreciate that. What the fuck? Alright. Yes. Alright. What ETF? Yeah. Would you invest in long term? I don't trade ETFs. I don't know, Vanguard or some shit. Birdchop sent me a heart me. Welcome, Birdchop. How are you? Thank you very much for the heart me. I appreciate it. I'm literally about to get off because it's so it's so fucking dead in here. It's really bad. So yeah, it's a bit fucking depressing. I just bought my old account. Yeah, the flare ends in 3 minutes and everything's moving like crazy. Fucking wild. Good, how are you? I'm good. Let's bring it back to like everyone talk right now. There's not many people. See, even fucking there's no one in here. That's the problem. But yeah, thank you for trying to help. Bye, my father. Enjoy your night. I'm off to read my book and go to bed early so I can get up early. Nice, nice. Yeah, jump off to attend a meeting I have no interest in. That's pretty shit. But yeah, take it easy. Thank you very much. Oh shit. I got a heart puff and ice cream cone of rose, and then Anka sent me another rose. Where are you? Hey bro, how are you? I'm good. How are you? Sad face. Yeah, I know. It's okay. It's alright. We'll fucking come in live for a little bit. I think I got 1 or 2 people to jump in the Discord, and it's okay. Maybe later will be better. Yeah. You're heading down to Brisbane. Nice. What for? What's up, Sunny Coast for Mother's Day, receptions, dog water. Have a good stream, bro. Good luck on the trades. Thank you. Have a good drive. Take it easy. Hopefully you had a good Mother's Day. Thank you again for the heart puff and the rose. Birdchop, I appreciate it a lot. What's for dinner tonight? Steak. Steak and vegetables, I think. Thank you for 7 roses, Uncle. I appreciate that a lot. T-bone steak. You're making tacos. It's not even Tuesday though. Are you? That's exciting. That's very exciting. Look at this movement. Oh shit, I didn't mean to do that. It's crazy fucking movement. Like, that is fucked. You very rarely see gaps on Forex at the start of the day, start of the week, but we got them. Fucking pretty crazy. Sad training got cancelled. I know. I mean, what do you mean? Oh, there's no fucking regulars in here, so Yeah, I know, that's fucking shit. How is this? As soon as the flare ends, I get more people in here than the fucking flare did the entire time. Like, oh, my nose is so itchy. I don't know why I've had like fucking hay fever today. I was sneezing like crazy. The yarn is back. Hello. Thanks for liking. What do you think about PI? I don't know what that is. PI. What is that? PI. Oh, is this that fucking... Is this the crypto thing? I don't know. I don't trade crypto. Ah! No itchy because of the Colombian wheat flour, maybe? Nah, fucking... I get that so much. Everyone thinks I'm on fucking coke. But nah, I'm just fucking... I'm not good with dust. And... I don't know. I think it's this fucking thing here. I had a sheet out. I pulled a sheet out of the cupboard because someone slept on my couch on the weekend. Fucking, I think it's that thing. It's just cooking my nose. Alive again. We are alive somehow. I don't know how that working. Yep. Yeah. Nah. I don't really fuck with random cryptos and all that shit. Ask Alex Becker. Hang on. Is this a past broadcast? No. What? Another rose. Thank you very much, Birdchop. I appreciate it. Thank you. Thank you for supporting my small stream. I do really appreciate it. Ruben, thank you very much for liking. I'm getting deja vu. Are ya? What from? The live? Have you been in here before? Whoever just liked it, thank you. If you like, you're gonna end up here. Watch, I'll grab you guys. Yeah, that wasn't that funny, eh? Wait, fuck, I fucked up. Is that good? You sneezing and saying that shit about the coke? Man, literally all the time. I get it all the fucking time. It's so annoying. Can a man not just fucking scratch his nose without getting accused of being a fucking drug addict? Like, it's actually ridiculous. Okay, let me check live stream on my main account. Make sure that looks okay. Oh no, that's like completely cut off. Shit. Nope, and then there's fucking this shit here. Some koala fucking refuel station. The fuck? Okay, I think we're looking good. You can barely see it. I might need to zoom this in a little bit more. Yeah, alright. Do you do Forex? Yep. But for real though, why don't you trade crypto? Is there an actual reason or you just don't? Well, and I was explaining this before, crypto is like so random and manipulated that it's exceptionally hard to base a real strategy because there's no history. There's no price data history. Like, you can do some research or some shit, but it's so random, such a gamble. And yeah, you can make a lot of money from it, but you can lose a lot too. And the majority of people just lose money on crypto. Literally the majority of people just lose money. And what I do works, and I'm happy with what I do. I don't really need to branch off into the crypto space. It's just not for me, you know. I'm trying to do gold. Yeah. I don't like gold either, to be honest. I really don't. You can make a lot of money on gold. And I was thinking about chucking a fun account in and just going ham and just full porting. But the thing is, if Trump wasn't signing some fucking thing tonight, I would 150% put a fun account in and just go full on. Full out. But I just don't know what's going to happen with gold. I don't know how gold reacts to specific news events because I don't trade it and I've never really looked into it. What trades do you do? I'm trying to start. Is that the same as Bert Chop's question? What pairs? And what do you mainly trade and what's my strategy? Okay, so the pairs that I trade are anything. I trade the majority of like the major pairs. So US dollar, CAD, Euro, Pound, Swiss, Yen, Aussie dollar, New Zealand dollar. Any of those crosses I trade. At the moment, I don't have an A for sell. This is why this is not financial advice, just my opinion only. At the moment, I trade, I'm only trading Pound, Swiss, and US dollar Yen. I just want a little bit of Yen and Swiss exposure, but everything else I don't want to touch right now. So, yeah. And my strategy is dollar cost averaging, mean reversion, martingale. And I use an expert advisor to do it. How long is a cow just? I don't know. What are you selling? Nothing. Seen a steed followed. Thank you very much. Stupid question, but like, how do you trade them? Is it a strategy for quick holds? I can be in and out within the day, but the majority of it is like medium to long term. So usually within the week I'm out, but sometimes I can be in for a couple of weeks, depending on what the market's doing. Imagine taking a guy in a singlet's advice. So I just come back from the gym, I'm wearing a singlet. Sure. Please, 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 please. I love it when there's photos. Come on, man. Why the fake account, bro? Like, why the fake account? Or the hidden account? It's so boring. Like, at least having an account that I can look at what you look like and stuff. That's all good. People can be speculative. It's fine. There's no problem in that. It's just, if it takes away from the stream like a little bit too much, then that's when they got to go. Which this guy isn't really putting in anything. And he gotta get a real job. Like, yeah. Look, I have all the power. Block. It's just, I'm okay with challenging people, and if people want to come in here and talk and question what I'm doing, that's fine. But if you're just going to be like a piece of shit, then you're just going to get the fuck out. Do you have a course I could look at? I have a mentorship. I don't particularly like the whole just a course. So there is a mentorship. It's linked in my bio. There is also a free Discord for people to join and come have a chat and whatever. You can talk to me about anything. There's also a free video on how to get started and all that shit. It's only if you want to take everything seriously that you'd be looking at the mentorship. If not, because I want to keep it small so I can do one-on-ones for free and everything. Instead of just pushing it out to the masses and fucking, yeah. So, if you want to get stuck into it, links are in my bio. Just go get a real job. Why the fuck would I go get a job if I don't need to get a job? How much do you make daily, weekly, like an average? I don't talk about, oh, I got more roses. Thank you for the 3 roses and thank you for the 1 rose, Birchop. I don't talk about dollar figures, but on average, monthly is around 7.5% of my account size. So what's wrong with that? Is that supposed to be offensive? Yeah, right. I don't really give a fuck. I've just been to the gym. I just got home from the gym. What the fuck? How many legs does a squid have? It's 33. This is your full-time job. Trading is. Streaming and doing all this shit isn't. This pays me nothing. Like literally nothing. But I don't have a job. I trade. Fuck having a job. I used to and it sucked. So I did what I needed to do to get out. And so should everyone else. It's not fun, but it's worth it. What juicy details? Did you ask something? What are the juicy details? God, there's not a lot going on in this fucking stream, eh? This is my other account. So, because I got suspended on my last one for saying a word that TikTok didn't like, and they fucking suspended me. So this is a second account. What's a good dollar figure to start with? That's super subjective, right? So honestly, like, so think about this. You're going to be, or how I trade, I make on average 7.5% of my account size, right? Now, anywhere in between 3 to 10% is where you should be looking at if you are a profitable day trader, right? That's the average is 3 to 10% per month. And 10% is good, right? 10% is good. So on average, I'm at about 7.5%. And so if you have a $10,000 account size, then you're looking at making maybe $750 a month if you're me. $300 to $1,000 per month. If you've got 100,000, it's more, 200 more, So it really depends on how much because we're day trading a lot, and what a lot of shit that you'll see online, which is absolutely not realistic. One of the reasons I started doing this, because I was so sick of the fault, because I've been trading for a very long time and I got scammed and all that bullshit, fell into you're gonna make fucking millions and blah, 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 and it's just so unrealistic. Trading for me is more like just the freedom side of things. So I can wake up. I don't set alarms. I wake up when I wake up and I go to bed when I go to bed. So yeah, it is not a get rich quick scheme. And yeah, it really depends on, how much you want to make, what you want to do with that money. But a good, like, you can start with a couple $100. You can start with $1,000. I started with a fair bit more than that. But I didn't put any of my money into the market for 2 years. I was doing education for 2 years before I put a cent in. So when I did, I had a decent amount is to put in the market. What up, True Blue? Yeah, but how much is your account size? Decent. Have you seen Pi Network price? Someone said it before, it's not really my thing. Do you have jungle? No. How come you're only making 7.5% though? Only? 7.5% is pretty low. Is it? Okay, sure. What would I know? I'm curious as to what your hobbies are outside of day trading. Work, man, not much. I don't do much. I literally spend the majority of my time glued to this shit. So, yeah, there's not much. Going for drinks with my friends or something. That's about it. Yeah, I spend a lot of time here. How much did I start? It was 20. I started with 20 grand. And then just went from there. So it wasn't like a shit load of money, but to start off with, it was a decent, you know, jumping in with that. But again, I'd been doing it for 2 years before I even put a cent of my money into the market. So, it's all right. Did you lose much before you gained? When I was demo, yeah. Well, that's why I didn't put any of my actual money in, because I knew it was going to happen. Like, there's so many mistakes that you're going to make as a beginner coming into the markets. I had no fucking clue what I was doing. I had zero clue what I was doing. I blew like 1 million demo accounts. Like, I had fucking no idea what I was doing, and it was just a nightmare. And it took a very long time to become profitable on paper before I decided to actually go all in with my money. So yeah, I would have lost fucking on demo hundreds of thousands of dollars before I ever stuck my money in. So good thing I did. And I've seen it so many times as well. Some of the people in the mentorship and everything, they've make the same mistakes that I did, but with their own money. And I advise against putting money in straight away and focusing on education before actually getting into it, because it's not all what it is hyped up to be, online at least. It's good for freedom, which is what I get, but you're not going to be a fucking millionaire in fucking 3 months. It's not going to happen. Will not happen. And that's why I'm so small and my community's so small. And because I'm not, I know so many real, legit, not these Lambo fucking gurus. I know so many real profitable traders, and yeah, it's not what it's hyped up to be. You can get rich. Yes, you can get rich from doing this, but it takes a while. Like everything, it takes a while. I just get freedom, and that's all I give a fuck about. And I'm still building, and I'm still, you know, I'm doing pretty well. So yeah, that's why I jumped on social media. It gets boring, man, sitting in front of your computer, because you have to sit in front of your computer a fair bit and stay on top of macroeconomics and news and whatever the fuck's going on. Like this shit, this is open all the time, because you don't know what's going to happen. There's just updates automatically. There's all the news. But if I wanted to turn off my computer and fuck off for 6 months, I could. Love how people say 7.5% is low, but they have no idea what your account size is. Yeah, I mean, yeah. Yeah. And 7.5% is not fucking low. That is not low at all. That's internet garbage that fucking people just do not understand, that 7.5% is like a lot. Like, yeah, it's whatever. And that's a month. That's not a year. Like, yeah, it's just fucking, I don't know. But it's okay. It's okay. They'll learn that, you know, all these fucking internet fucking gurus who are making fucking 300% a month is lying. I've lost so many accounts, so much stress and depression, but the end game is amazing. Yeah, absolutely. Absolutely. I've never blown a live account either. I wonder if... No, that's a lie. I had a couple like little fun accounts that I like sometimes, every now and again, I'll put like a little bit of money in an account and then just go full out and then just full send it, like gamble, essentially. It's basically hitting red or black. I sometimes do that, and some of them have got blown, but I barely even consider that like anything. I don't really care. And my biggest win ever was doing that for the first time on a fun account, and I made the stupidest amount of money. Oops, pardon me. Also, do you use an ABN to file your tax, or do you just claim it as income? ABN. Sorry, I've been in the lives. Nah, that's cool. How is it? It's capital gains taxes if you're just trading on a live account, but it's income if it's funded accounts. What do you make roughly a month? 7.5% of my account size. For obvious reasons, I can't talk too much about dollar figures. Can you explain a funded account and the benefits? There are barely any benefits to a funded account. And this is another thing with fucking online gurus who talk about funded accounts and how they're really good when they're not, right? So I'm funded. I don't talk about my funded account and I don't promote funded accounts, but the thing with fundeds is and I say this all the time, funded, like prop firms are designed to for you to fail your challenges. So the challenges, let me break this down real quick, and I gotta stop reading fucking chat because every time I read it I get distracted and then I fuck up my words and I start talking like a fucking idiot. And okay, I'll explain the difference too. So a funded account is the opportunity to use a prop firm's capital, but it's not actually capital, it's fake money. It's all typed up numbers on the fucking internet, right? And the only way that prop firms make money from you is if you fail your challenges. That's how they make money, right? Or if you get funded and then don't make any money from that. So they make the rules so strict, which disallows all the strategies that are actually profitable, including mine. And it makes it virtually impossible to pass these challenges. You can, and it's not impossible, and I've done it, and you can do it, but eventually you'll blow the account. You can't keep accounts. The rules are so strict, and if you do keep the account, they will change the fucking rules so your strategy can't work anymore, or they'll tell you that you're gambling, or they're telling you that the strategy is deep in their terms and conditions that isn't actually allowed, and fucking that they are designed for you to lose and for you to pay for challenges and get close and have the opportunity to have all this fucking money when it's just numbers on a fucking screen that they've invented and sell challenges for you to maybe get a chance to trade with them. It's bullshit. So yeah, don't even fucking bother, especially as a beginner. Virtually impossible for you to pass as a beginner. What people like me and very profitable traders do is they take small amounts of profits from their live accounts to go into and pay for funded challenges to then use calculated gambling techniques that are usually quite risky because it doesn't really matter if you blow it, and take very high probability trades, full porting them in hopes to make quite a substantial amount of money. And then taking that money, as soon as you win, you withdraw, you wait for the withdrawal period because they put withdrawal periods on because you eventually blow your account because everybody overtrades, right? That's why a lot of the prop firms say, oh, you've got to wait actually a month before you can actually pull your money out. It's because you're going to overtrade and you're going to blow the account. And then so you take that money and you put it into your live account so you have normal trading conditions. How's crypto work in Australia? I don't know crypto. How much money you made off this shit? Can't say that. Get a Kraken account, deposit money, and then start trading. I don't even know what the fuck Kraken is. I've never even heard of that. So the prop firm gives you money and any of the profits you make is yours. It depends how much, but they give you a cut of this virtual money. This is the other thing. So they say, oh yeah, you get 80% of this, right? 80% of what? Why am I only getting 80%? They get 20% of nothing? Like, it's just, they just don't want to give you money. And it's all virtual shit. What broker do you recommend? Black bull markets for if you're in Australia. 10%. But all that shit went way over my head. Oh, fuck. I have to look into this a lot more. Yeah, that's right. Join my Discord. My Discord's linked to my bio. It's free. Come have a chat. If you want a mentorship, the mentorship's going to be there forever. Well, not forever, but it's going to be there for as long as I can see in the future. I'd like educating. It's fulfillful for me. So, yeah. 80 to 100%. Yeah. I'm only a 24 leg parlay away from financial freedom. Yeah. It's just a crypto broker. Do you buy a funded account or how do you get one? Not planning on, just curious. You need to, yeah, you need to pay. So let's just say, here, I'll show you. So prop firm match is that going to futures? Yeah, no, CFTs. So basically what you do, right, is you can use something like this. They've updated their website, actually. What the fuck? Why have they done this? Why the fuck have they done this? How the fuck? Okay, let's just look at these guys, right? I don't know what the fuck they've done here. I don't know what the fuck they've done to switch this up. Okay, here we go. So let's just say you want to get the option to use Alpha Capital, which is a somewhat well-known prop firm. So it's going to cost you $422. This is US, $422 US to have the opportunity to pass a challenge, right? You have to pass two steps or two phases, which means your profit targets are 10 and 5%. So you have to make 10%, you have to make 10 grand on that account before you can go to the second challenge where you have to make an additional 5% of that account. And then you get the 100K account, right? So your daily loss is 5% and your maximum loss is 10%. So you don't actually have access to 100K. You only actually have access to $5,000 essentially, because if you hit that target, gone, boom, gone. So you can, to do this properly, you can only really trade as if you have $5,000. Now making $15,000 from $5,000 without gambling will take you fucking years. So you basically have to gamble to pass this shit, right? You basically have to gamble to pass this shit. You only get 80% of the profits that you make, which why they do that is just so you don't fucking make more money off of them, because they only make money from you clicking buy and trying to do this challenge. And the payout frequency is every 2 weeks, right? So if you make, so let's say you pass this shit and you get funded, which is very, very slim chance, very slim chance. And then, so you pass that and you get over to the funded stage and you make, let's say you make $5,000, right? You gotta wait 2 fucking weeks before you can actually get that $5,000, and the majority of people are just going to continue to trade, and because the conditions are so bad, you're going to blow the money and you're going to lose it all. That's why they have these 14 days. That's why they have these daily losses. So you're virtually gambling to make any amount of money from this 100K. It's bullshit. It's all bullshit. There's no fucking point. And if you were to do it legit and trade like you only had $5,000, to get your money back, it's gonna take fucking months. Like, it's just, yeah, it's not worth it for the majority of people unless you're doing extremely high probability trades that is the majority of the time gambling. It's not worth it. Not worth it. Not when you're new, because you're just gonna lose your money. You might do it and you might think you're the fucking man, and then you're just gonna lose it anyway. And then you're gonna get sucked into the trap of buying them and losing them. Shut up, Alex. Who's Alex? All right, yeah. I'm not gonna lie, you sound very young, my dude. Yeah, I'll join up now. I'm currently working away from home, so no, that's all sweet. No stress. What are you trading? Forex. What's the perks of these challenges though? Well, so let's just say I wanted to buy here. I was gonna full port a gold trade and we get a massive pump. You're making a shitload of money. You're making a shitload of money. But to get to that point and to pass everything, it's very difficult. That point, just bet on the A-League. So what you're telling me is there's no point in doing whatever these challenges are? Not really, unless you are a skilled trader. Like, I'm not pumping myself up, but like me, who can identify very high probability trades and can afford to gamble on that sort of thing and try and make substantial amounts of money from it to put into your personal account and know all the back ends and how it all works and everything. Without that, there's no point. So they are there for people who don't have enough money to start a live account. Yes. But at the same time, they know that the majority of people that don't have enough money to start a live account aren't very skilled traders in the first place, which means that they're most likely, the statistics are they're going to blow the account and they get paid. It's like, I'm going to save up for this challenge. Oh, I blew it. I'm going to save up for another one, because just maybe I'll have access to $100,000, but it's not actually $100,000. It's only $5,000. You'd be better off saving up for the $5,000. What up, Michelle? Yeah, fair. Where do you get your news for trading? Forex Factory and Financial Juice. These are open all the time. Do you usually risk 1% per trade on your live or more or less? I only, you're gonna spin out at this, 0.1%, 0.1 to 0.25% per trade. Because I have an unconventional way of trading to most people. People who actually know how to trade know that it's a normal fucking strategy, but to the majority of people, they got fucking no idea. Not a lot, Michelle, not a lot. What up, Musa? You got 4 left open? 4 positions or 4 pairs? So there's no trading fee for each trade. 4 pairs, fucking hell. How many trades altogether? What are you still in? Oh. Did you add to the account? I didn't look at balance and equity, so I thought your drawdown was a lot more than it actually is. Okay. Oh, fuck me. Fuck, New Zealand dollar yen and US dollar yen. If you can even get close to getting out of that, I would. Have a look. Did it pump up? Oh, it fucking pumped up again. You'd be able to get out of that in this range here. Is that right? And I guess New Zealand dollar yen's probably very similar. I know. That's fucking insane movement. Okay. We don't have time for that. I don't think. Yeah, I'm looking at them. That is fucking insane. I haven't seen a gap like that on Forex in so fucking long. Like, I seriously haven't. Can you quick breakdown? Yeah, maybe in a sec. Pairs bro, Titan's still open. Oh my god. What up, Fallout? Good. Any prediction gold going to jump back? Probably, but I don't know. I don't trade gold. Brittany, thank you very much for following me. Just a New Zealand dollar. Yeah, I'm looking at that. Nala, thank you very much for following me. That's what I mean. Like, if you can just get out of those in profit, that'd be good. That'd be really good. What I'm worried about though is the I would I'm not too worried about them because you're only in one position. I'm more worried about the euro yen. Euro CAD. Yeah, fuck. I don't know. I gotta piss real quick. Hold up. Lighting on point, is it? Raleigh, thank you very much for following me. Why so good traders? Why so good traders use funded accounts? Why do good traders use funded accounts when they can use their own money? Well, they don't really. Like, I think that's just some internet bullshit that you see online, to be honest, because a lot of the good traders don't. And if they do, it's mostly gambling to pay for to add to their live account. Sorry, just looking. Finding you get more leverage. That's not true. I'm about to start trading. I've got 100-ish. What's the best starting tip? Spend the 100 on education because that's not enough, and keep saving. And don't put any money in until you're very confident. Start with demo. Start with demo. Don't put $100 in. You'll just lose it. Are we done for today? Nah. He's gone to the loo and lost everything on the big red candle. Nah, I'm chilling. Oh damn, it's on discount. Buy up now. Yeah, it is. Lot of movement. A lot of movement today. So, yes. Oh, fucking hell. Just fucking texting me. Damn, it's on a discount. Teach some smart money concepts. Fuck right off with that gay shit. Explain. Able to explain what a future is. A future is a contract for buying and selling. I don't trade futures, and you won't get the best explanation out of me for a future because I've never really looked into them. But what?